chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened in you. Alright, we are road tripping! We're off to look at a boat. Aren't we, Bellwells? We may have been a little bit misled by the condition of this vessel. We shall find out in 3 hours' time. But it is, the address we've been given, it is a boat graveyard. So we're going to the boat graveyard to find our new house. Alright, see you when we get there. Entrance to the graveyard. Alright, adventure. Here we go. Wow. The adventure. You wouldn't want to do this too pissed up, would you? Yeah. Yeah. Wow. It's the only one around here that doesn't look like it belongs here. Okay, now. Wow. Crazy. Alright. And there she is. Alright. Right. Fair play. What's this? Swimming pool. Alright, here she is. Paris. Right, a bit of a step across, Burd. You going to be alright with this? You'll be alright. I'll stand over there and hold your hand.
Do it, Kel.
No, you go down the ladder backwards and then I'll show you. Step over it. Yeah, don't fall in. I'm just going over to there.
You've got to film it.
Yeah.
I'll film it if she falls.
Yeah, film me.
I'll make loads of good YouTube views. No.
You wouldn't do my hat.
Alright, go backwards.
I'll hold the ladder.
Go to the top step first. That's it. Get on the ladder. With your toes. Go down one more. It'll be
Not
easier.
even that far.
Put your hand out.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'll take the bag, Cal. Oh, alright. Here we are.
That was interesting.
We've got another one that's being sold.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
For years now,
Yeah.
this guy was selling Prince of Forces bike.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Steve Ferris.
Alright. Okay. She needs some work, but it's a good space. That's a little bit ropey. Quite good. This is quite a nice size actually. Bigger than I thought. Swim platform. What's the door? Oh, what's she called? Yeah, want a bit of a slab. Is this on a tilt? Okay, so cobwebs. So, another bathroom and a separate shower as well. So, spare bedroom. This is nice. This will be my office. Good. This side. Handrails. What a space up here. Hey. Yeah, I mean it is work, work, work. Massive space. Good seating area. Alright, let's have a look.
2 jennies.
Yeah, they don't
Yeah.
work. That's a generator, which doesn't work. Yeah, so that's the other generator. It doesn't work. A lot of water down there.
Yeah, there's a lot.
There's a lot of work to do. I do like the thing though, overall.
Yeah.
Down here's not so much of a fan of. There's water down there. What's that green thing over there? Anybody know? Some kind of oil.
Probably through the hydraulics or something that's steering on that, maybe. Hydraulic tank.
It's an old fucking
I would have thought. Look at the pipe rod to it.
fire extinguishers.
Eh?
That old fire extinguisher.
I looked that way, yeah.
Don't look there actually.
Yeah.
Ouch. Yeah. Right. That's a little bit wearing, a bit of mud down under there. I suppose that's a red. That's a red, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a little bit of a drip on that rudder there on the port one.
It sits in there, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's probably about a litre away.
Come on, Bird. Step over. That's it. That's it. Go to that one. That was third time lucky. There you go.
That won't get you in the juice, will it?
No, you need to fall in. Jersey Star. UV import is there. come to a scrapyard. Look at her boat. Oh, she's alright. A lot of work. It's rickety. Alright, road tripping back. Just stopping at Harvester, have a bueno and a bit of food. Yeah, a lot to think about that boat. A lot to think about. There's a lot wrong with it. A lot of positives, but there's a lot wrong with it. So we'll keep you updated on what we do. Alright, we have come to look at a boat. We're in Brighton Marina. So we can take you around. Here we are, wonderful Brighton. I've never been here before. We've got an hour to wait before we meet the broker. I'm going to go and have a look at a Princess 415. So Bird's excited.
Yeah.
So take you along. So what do you think about this one?
I'm excited about this boat. Yeah.
Brighton, look at this. Beautiful. Bit rough out there. Right. Lovely.
This is all opened up ready for you.
Okay.
So hop on.
Let's have a look.
I hope you're feeling agile because the doors with transit on the port side,
Right.
and there's a dinghy in the way. So
Oh,
this is the way we're going. Can you manage that?
Yeah.
Shall I hop on first just to make sure there's someone to catch on the other side,
Yeah.
just in case?
You hold it in back and then I can.
Okay. Ready? Well done. Okay, no problems at all.
Right. Can I have that, Cal?
Yeah. Right, I'm on board. So this is her.
Lovely.
If you've seen the advert, you know the boat. You know
Yeah.
what it is probably. Yeah. Okay.
It's more about whether it's the right kind of size and
Yeah.
overall condition, really. But yeah, it's canvas. Is a
Yeah.
bit shot.
So we had a survey done in 2023.
Yeah, you sent me that. I had
As
a
with,
look.
have you got it? Oh, good.
Yeah, you sent me that one. Yeah.
As with most boats here, I don't use her enough. Is the
Yeah.
selling reason for selling?
That's what people say, isn't it?
Sorry.
That's what everyone says.
Yeah.
That's upholstery is quite nice, actually. Yeah, there's some strange electronics.
Yeah, there are a few.
I've never seen.
Bits and pieces up there.
I've never seen that before,
No, that's a new one on me as well.
and that's a bit antique-ish.
Yesteryear. Yeah.
Got a fridge.
Okay. Storage allocated. I've not seen it now actually. Comes out nice and easily.
Oh, yeah, 'cause storage is one of the big things that
Yeah, of course.
we need.
Yeah.
That's right.
That's alright.
Yeah. A junk drawer.
There's storage under here as well.
Excellent. There's an extractive. Storage.
Storage under the bed.
There is under the beds, is there? There. It's not a bad cabin actually.
No, it's alright, isn't it?
It's very similar to Rich's boat, isn't it?
That's quite a big area here, isn't it? That's the sink there.
I thought it lifted.
Oh yeah, there we go, yeah.
Right, so I thought that was framing.
Bloody hell, Ben.
Oh, you lift the carpet up.
Just about it.
Yeah, for servicing, you don't hold this up.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Batteries under here, I think.
So there's that, the generator. Is there
That's
a
the generator. There's this one. Steep steps. Right. So this is knackered. Just about knackered. This is quite big, isn't it? Like bridges.
Yeah.
Right.
But yeah, help yourself.
I'll keep watching your TikTok videos.
Good man. You'll see one of her going on later on. Hopefully.
Yeah, she's a good looking boat really for her age.
Yeah, when you walk towards her,
Yeah. All right, we've had a little round. Quite impressed. I think we're going to go to the pub and have a look at maybe putting an offer on the boat. Like it, Bird?
that's very nice, baby.
Yeah, I think he's doing to it, but all boats do, and it's kind of shit. So yeah, see what
what we can get
happens.
it for.
See what happens. All right.